Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make these vintage scale planters. I hope that you like this video. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to like and subscribe and leave me a comment. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so this is what you're going to need. A dog bowl, a wax heater thing, a table decor square piece, that's going to be your base. You're going to need glue, hot glue, your choice of regular glue. I use E6000. Paint, obviously, I use spray paint to spray everything. And then I touched it up because I wanted the enamel look. So I touched it up with different color paint. So I had a little bit of problems here because I didn't take off the tag that's under the sticker that's under the wax heater, and the glue basically came off. And as you can see, the table decor piece, I painted it white, but that's just to prime it before I spray paint it. So don't forget to do that because that's really important. It's gonna help your paint stick. And also don't forget to take off the sticker on the bottom of your pieces. That's gonna save you a lot of time. These scale faces you can get from Google. They're free there. If you do pick one, you might need to resize it. I had to resize it in my computer. And I was originally going to glue it to the mason jar lid, but it didn't work out for me, so I just glued him to cardboard. So I needed something to protect the planter, or I mean the scale face. So I got a Ziploc bag and cut circles on the same size as the scale face to protect it from the water when I do water it. So yeah, but these were actually gifts for people, and one was a birthday gift, and the other one, the other two my mom kept. So yeah, but this will help protect it from water. hope you found this video helpful, and if you make one, please tag me. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and leave me a comment. I'll see you on the next video.